Well, hi there pluckers, Ivysaur Fingers again with you, not for a guitar lesson. This one's a bit of an information video. I've just recently had a comment from one of my subscribers advising me that they don't seem to have had any notifications of recent videos that I've been posting for the last couple of weeks or so. And that got me thinking, because I've noticed that my viewing figures have been sort of a bit lower than usual for the last 2 or 3 weeks now. So I just wondered if this was affecting other people who were completely unaware that I was putting up new videos and didn't know about them. So I went on YouTube and had a bit of a dig around, and I've now discovered that YouTube, in their wisdom, have turned off all email notifications about any channel that you're subscribed to, where you're expecting to see notifications of new videos, etc. You won't be getting them. They've just, from August the 13th, apparently they turned all email notifications off, which was a bit of a shock to me. I had no idea. I don't remember seeing any notification about it at all. Okay, so anyway, so that's the state of affairs, and obviously there are a lot of people rather upset about this because it's affecting their channels quite badly. And obviously other people, obviously subscribers, are annoyed because they're not getting notified of channels that they've specifically asked to be notified about. So it's all a bit of a mess, to be honest. Apparently, I went on YouTube, as I said. There are a couple of workarounds which you can use apparently at the moment, until hopefully YouTube put it right, but they are quite involved and a bit messy, shall I say. But anyway, I just thought I'd let you know that if and when you see this video, you will suddenly realise why you've not been getting notifications about new videos I've been putting up. So I will put a link in the description box of a video that some other YouTuber has put up about it, explaining it a bit better than I've just done probably. Okay, so thanks very much for watching this, and I'll see you hopefully sometime for a new video. Bye for now.